Good morning students. In today's video we will solve exercise 1.3. Question number 1. Let function f such that 1 3 4 to 1 to 5 and function g such that 1 to 5 to 1 3 be given by f is equals to 1 2 3 5 4 1 and g is equals to 1 3 2 3 5 1. Write down g o f. So solution is here f1 is equals to 2, f3 is equals to 5 and f4 is equals to 1. And in function g, f1 is equals to 3, f2 is equals to 3 and f5 is equals to 1. Functions f and g. And we find out GOF. So GOFX is equals to GFX. First, in place of x we put 1 because fx1. So GOF1 is equals to GF1 and value of f1 that is 2. So is equals to G2 and G2 is equals to 3. So G2 is equals to 3. It means GOF1 is equals to 3. Next GOF3. Next is F3. So GF3 and value of F3 5 means G5 is equals to and G5 is equals to 1. So GOF3 is equals to 1. And third GOF4 F4. So GF4 and value of F4 1. It means G1 and G1 is equals to 3. So GOF4 is equals to 3. Now next question number 2. Let f, g and h be functions from R to R. Show that first part f plus g OH is equals to FOH plus GOH. So our first part we have to prove left hand side is equals to right hand side. In first part we take first LHS. So f plus g OHX is equals to f plus g hx. Now we separate f and g. So f hx plus g hx is equals to fohx and gohx. Implies that f plus g oh is equals to foh plus goh, and that is our right hand side. It means left LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. And second part f dot g OH is equals to FOH dot GOH. We have to prove that LHS is equals to RHS. So first we take LHS, that is f dot g HX is equals to we separate f and g. So f hx dot g hx and f dot g OHX is equals to FOHX and GOHX. F dot g OH is equals to FOH dot GOH. That is our RHS. Hence we proved LHS is equals to RHS. Now third question, find GOF and FOG if first part is fx is equals to modulus of x and gx is equals to modulus of 5x minus 2. And we find out GOF and FOG. So first GOF. So GOFX is equals to GFX and GX is equals to modulus of 5x minus 2. In x we replace in place of x we replace fx by fx. So GFX modulus of 5 in place of x we put fx, 5 fx minus 2. Now value of fx, that is mod of x. Now we put the value of x. So mod 5 mod x minus 2 is the value of GOFX. And now second FOG. So FOGX is equals to FGX. Now fx we put in place of x we replace x by gx. So modulus of x, it means modulus of gx. Now we put the value of gx, that is 5x minus 2. So modulus and again modulus 5x minus 2, double modulus of 5x minus 2. And this is the value of FO GX. Now second part, fx is equals to 8x cube and gx is equals to x to the power 1 upon 3. First we find GOFX. So GFX, it means GX. We replace fx by the x. So fx, and in place of x we put fx and whole power 1 upon 3. So fx whole power 1 upon 3. And now value of fx, that is 8x cube. So 8x cube whole power 1 upon 3. Now 2x whole cube and whole power 1 upon 3. 3 and 3 cancel out. So value of GOF is equals to 2x. Now second, FOGX is equals to f of GX, and fx, in place of x we put gx. So fx 8x cube and x, in place of x we put gx. So 8gx whole cube, it means and value of gx, that is x 1 upon 3, x to the power 1 upon 3. So 8x to the power 1 upon 3 whole power 3. So 3 cancel out. So answer will be 8x. So this is the value of FOGX. Now next question, fourth. If fx is equals to 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4, where x does not equal to 2 by 3, show that FOFX is equals to x for all x does not equal to 2 upon 3. First part. And second part, what is the inverse of f? So let's start the solution. First, we find FOFX. So FOFX is equals to FFX and value of fx, that, and in place of x we put fx. So 4 fx plus 3 upon 6 fx minus 4. Now we put the value of fx in this equation. So 4 and value of fx is given in the question. So 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4 plus 3 upon 6, 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4 minus 4. After solving this, we get 16x plus 12 plus 18x minus 12 upon 6x minus 4 and upon 24x plus 18 minus 24x plus 16 upon 6x minus 4. Here 6x minus 4 and 6x minus 4 cancel out, plus 12 minus 12 cancel out, and 24x and minus 24x also cancel out. Is equals to 34x upon 34. 34 also cancel out. So answer will be x. It means hence proved fx is equals to x. Now second part, we find inverse of f. So first step 1, take fx is equals to y. So y is equals to 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. Now second step, find x in terms of y and put x is equals to gy. So we find x in terms of, now we solve this equation in terms of x. Now 6xy minus 4y is equals to 4x plus 3, and after solving this we get x is equals to 4y plus 3 upon 6y minus 4. This is the value of x. And our step third, now we get a new function g, and gy is equals to value in terms of so gy is equals to x. So 4y plus value of x, 4y plus 3 upon 6y minus 4. This is a new function gy. Now fourth step, we find GOF and FOG. So first we find GOF. So GOFX is equals to GFX and GX. So we put in place of y fx. So 4 fx plus 3 upon 6 fx minus 4. Now fx is equals to 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. Now we put the value of fx. So 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4 plus 3 upon 6. 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4 minus 4. After solving this, we get x. Means value of GOFX is x. And now next we find f of g x. So f of gx, it means 4gx plus 3 upon 6gx minus 4. Now we put the value of gx. So 4y plus 3 upon 6y minus 4 plus 3 upon 6. 4y plus 3 upon 6y minus 4 minus 4. After solving this, we get 34y upon 34. 34 cancel out and answer will be y. It means value of f o gx is equals to y. Now our fifth step, f is invertible if f o g of x is equals to x. It means identity function of x, and f o gx is equals to y. It means identity function of y. So here we can see that value of g of x is x and value of f o gx is equals to y. It means f is invertible and g is the inverse of f. Thank you.